Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are making Pindi Chole, a flavorful chickpea curry that originated in Rawalpindi in Pakistan and has become a staple in Indian households. For making the Chole Masala, in a dry pan, take bay leaf, dried red chili, black cardamom, a stick of cinnamon, green cardamoms, cloves, a small piece of mace, whole black peppers, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and carom seeds. Dry roast them on low heat for 2 minutes until they are fragrant. Cool the spice mix, then add dry mango powder and grate in a tiny amount of nutmeg. Blend it into a coarse powder and we have our own chole masala. Take chole or chickpeas which were soaked overnight and add them into a pressure cooker. To this, add soaked chana dal, a stick of cinnamon, a few dried amla, salt, and baking soda. Adjust the water so that it submerges all the ingredients. Then pressure cook these on high flame for 5 whistles. Once done, let the steam release naturally before opening the pressure cooker. You can observe that our chole is cooked through and falls apart in our fingers. Now from the chole, remove the amla and the cinnamon stick as its job is done. For the chole gravy, heat some mustard oil in a kadhai. When the oil is smoking hot, temper it with cumin seeds, crushed garlic, chopped green chilies, and grated ginger. Fry these for a minute on high flame until the raw smell disappears. Then add in chopped red onions. Fry the onions on high to medium flame for 5 minutes until golden brown. Next, add chopped tomatoes. Fry for a minute and then add salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and some of the chole masala we had made earlier. Over medium to high heat, fry and cook the spices and tomatoes for 5 minutes until they release water and melt into the gravy. Once the oil separates from the gravy, add in the boiled chickpeas. Stir them together and add half a cup of water to this to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Bring it to a rolling boil, then simmer and cover. Cook for 10 minutes so that your chole absorbs all the flavors from the gravy. Then add in slit fresh chilies, juliennes of ginger, and chopped coriander leaves. To finish, heat some desi ghee in a vessel and add Kashmiri chili powder. Add this over your chole to take your dish to the next level. And there you have it, Pindi Chole, a dish that tells a story, a dish that brings people together, and most importantly, a dish that's deliciously unforgettable. Subscribe for more such flavorful adventures, and until next time, happy cooking!